What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. As you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, today we're actually revealing the E92 Wrap. It's all done, it's complete, finally. I know you guys have been like dying to see it. I've been teasing you guys on Instagram for like the past week and everyone's pissed at me, bro. Everyone's cussing at me in the DMs and everything. We got the homie Manny, Sick Wraps, the homie that literally did this all. We got Hugo, we got everyone. All the homies are here. We're revealing the wrap today. I don't know how to reveal it, bro. How do we just show you guys the color? Do I just show you?
Trim. cut, delete that.
They're making fun of me the way I vlog, but I think the best way to show you guys is just do a little cool cinematic. So I'm gonna film some slow-mos, put them in right here. So hopefully you guys like the wrap. Here it is.
Listen. Yeah, I'm here to stay. I don't fuck around, boy, I mean what I say. You done playing nice, but I'm tired of playing. Take it how you want it, but I'm sick of the waiting. Man, I'm done with y'all faking, I'm just over this shit. I've been too kind like a copy and print. I got a lot of songs, where the fuck is your head? It goes for anyone that ever doubted the kid. I ain't got a huge circle, I've been good on my own. Working non-stop on airplane mode. I ain't taking no calls unless I call you first. Grind mode, stack dough till I'm dead in the hearse, yeah. Ain't none of you safe. All you rappers trash, ain't one that I play. If they ain't squad, tell them send them my way. Crafted once forever shit, fuck what you say, yeah.
Okay, you guys saw the wrap color. We did a Tiffany blue color once again. Hopefully you guys aren't too mad. I mean, it looks good. I don't know how you guys could be mad, but we went back to a Tiffany blue. It's completely different. It is not the same Tiffany blue. It's actually a new wrap material. It's way more glossy, way more like pearl, metallic. I don't know, it literally looks like paint. And Manny, or Sick Wraps, whatever you guys want to call it, he wrapped the whole entire car and he literally killed it. Like, I know the wrap material looks like paint, but also his like wrap job literally looks like paint. If you guys could just see this, look at this. He wants me to show all the details. It took it like a week, huh?
It took us about a week just because.
But because he's a perfectionist, he wanted to make it perfect.
I wasn't a perfectionist. So what it was is just that this car took a lot of prep time, more than just regular cars.
Yeah, we had to prep the paint.
We did have to unwrap it, and it had a lot of messed up factors, like in the paint. The clear coat was peeling, the paint was peeling. It was very challenging, but I mean, it was worth it in the end. It looks really good. We got cleaned up.
It's freaking perfect, bro. Like literally, it looks perfect. I cannot wait to take this out and show you guys. It's completely different. Oh, I didn't even mention, look, we did new wheels. Well, not new wheels, but a new wheel color. So shout out to Bulletproof for that. They're a lot of people are guessing bronze because they kept teasing these too, but it's kind of like a black metallic. I don't know if you guys are able to see, but like, look in the sun. There's like sparkles in the freaking powder coat. It looks freaking amazing in person. I think the glossy wheel just looks way better with the glossy wrap. Before, if you guys remember, they were like a matte black, and like when they were dirty, I mean, honestly, they always look dirty, so this just looks clean. I kind of want to show the engine bay. Even though it's not part of the wrap, I just want to show you guys this engine bay, guys.
Headlights, the lamp.
Oh my God, we have so much to talk about. Guys, we did so much on this car, like in that 1 week of wrapping it. But check this out. I got roasted in the comments because you guys were saying my engine bay is dirty. You could eat off of that. It's so clean. But yeah, like Manny said, we also did new headlights. We did a new front lip.
I just want to put something out there, guys. Please, if you guys see this car at a meet or a show, do not step on the splitter this time, all right? You know who you are. Don't step on the splitter.
You guys remember when someone stepped on it? Dude, like, I don't know. I have bad luck with lips, so hopefully this one lasts. It's already day like 3, so let's see how long this lip lasts. Overall, this wrap came out amazing. This is the new wrap color. I hope you guys like it. It's literally perfect. I don't know. I freaking love it. It was so hard to choose. I know a lot of you guys wanted me to do like Nardo, or like a lot of people were guessing yellow for some reason.
Yellow, green.
Green? Yeah, a lot of people were saying green, but I mean, it's kind of like a green, a mint green. It came out good. I love it. Shout out to Manny.
Like a lot of people, I had a lot of people messaging me too, telling me like, I'll pay you money to reveal it.
Bro, like, people were messaging all the friends, like trying to get like a hint on what color it is and all that stuff. Shout out to Manny, bro. He literally killed it. Sick Wraps, Sick Wraps. We also got some cool things coming our way.
Yeah, we have some.
We can't talk about it. Not yet.
I'm not gonna talk about it yet.
But for now, just go follow him right now.
Like, follow Sick Wraps. It's we're going a whole different route with the business. It's gonna really blow up. We have a lot of cool things coming for you guys, me and Nick together.
Bro, this shot looks sick. Look at this.
This is just the beginning of what's to come. So yeah, just make sure you guys follow, subscribe, and just keep, you know, just keep up to date with me and Nick, and just see what we have coming.
And follow Manny, bro. Follow his personal page if you want to see his sick ass 335.
I showed you guys my build before it's not even revealed yet.
His 335 single turbo build, and also his wrap page, Sick Wraps. Go follow him because he literally killed it, guys. And guys, it was only right to do a wrap reveal and also drop a whole new merch drop. The merch drop is available right now. It's the first link in the description, shop.findingnick.com. We worked super hard to make a really sick merch drop involving like the new wrap color. I'm gonna pop it up right here. We got a new shirt, we got a new jet tag with the new wrap, and we also did a Sick Wraps collab. So if you guys want to grab one of those, we got a jet tag for Sick Wraps, Sick Wraps mask. We also did a FindingNick mask. So yeah, if you guys want to grab anything from the website, it's down below. It's the first link, and make sure you guys grab them ASAP because the jet tags sold out like in this couple minutes, bro. So we got a Sick Wraps jet tag, a FindingNick jet tag, a Sick Wraps mask, and a Sick Wrap FindingNick mask.
Every order goes out with the Sick Wrap decal.
Oh, you can see he's throwing stuff in. So if you guys want something, so it's the first link. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the wrap. I hope you guys like the new merch drop. Go get it right now, like I said, because it's gonna sell out. I know it is, and I really love the Sick Wraps collab. It's freaking awesome. Oh, I didn't even mention, we also did a Beamer Club design. Those shirts sold out in the same day, the white Beamer Club shirts. So I made them in a black design, a black hoodie and a black t-shirt. It's freaking awesome. I can't wait till you guys grab it, get it, show pictures with it, take pictures with it, and see you guys in person. I love seeing that. All the merch is very, very limited. The mint shirts, especially the ones that match the car, very limited. All the face masks, the jet tags, very limited. I felt so bad the last drop when everything sold out and some of you guys couldn't get it. So it's the first link in the description. Go right now before it all sells out. And again, thank you guys in advance. I freaking love you guys. It's so awesome, bro. What do you think, Hugo? Look, Hugo came all the way down from Fresno to check out the wrap.
Oh, it looks crazy.
You like it? It's sick, huh? You've never even seen it.
Yeah, I didn't get to see it.
He's never seen it when it was
how excited
Tiffany.
he was. Look at his shoes.
Oh yeah, look at
He's
this.
so excited. Look.
Hugo even got matching shoes.
I had him before the wrap, so don't try to gas me up like that.
But Hugo came down, he brought his cousins. Everyone's here, it's pretty tight. Right now I'm gonna play some footage like behind the scenes when we wrapped the entire car, like the whole process pretty much. So if you guys wanna watch that, keep watching, and shout out to Manny once again.
There's a lot of like funny.
I don't know, we did some funny stuff. So this is some behind the scenes of us wrapping the car. And yeah, I hope you guys like this. All right guys, day 2 of the wrap.
Right now we're just prepping the quarter panel to start the quarter panel.
Yep.
Getting rid of all this old double-sided tape that was behind the windshield trim.
Right now we're gonna do the whole quarter panel like he said. It's gonna look like the entire car is almost done. Yep. Once we do that, because it's a big ass panel.
I like it a lot though.
I like it a lot too, bro.
Well, now they can see the color.
I know, now there's no more black and white videos. Look at this. It's so glossy, dude. And guys, it's not like my old color.
It's nothing like the old
color. I mean,
color.
obviously it's like a Tiffany blue mint color. It's called neon mint pearlescent or something. That's the actual color. Yeah, it's like a neon mint and it's like pearl. So my old color was very dull. Like it was straight up Tiffany blue. That's it. But this color has a lot of like metallic pearl in it. You guys can see with like the white lights, the car gets super white. And then over here is super dark mint. I don't know. You guys have to see it in person to actually see it. But hopefully when this is complete, we're gonna be going to a lot of car meets. So you guys will have to see it in person.
Bringing back the E92
I know.
content.
I can't wait till you guys see it in person. I cannot wait.
The only reason he did this color was because of you guys.
I know.
We were going to do Nardo or Cyan Black, and this is the only reason.
Or yellow. I had a bunch of colors, bro. I cannot pick. But yeah, like you said, I did it because I wanted to bring it back for the people who really liked it, and I don't know. It's been a while.
OG Nick is coming back, man.
I had this color like 4 years ago, almost 3 years ago, maybe. Alright, Manny's working on the quarter panel right now, but I'm gonna hurry up and grab us some food. But the little homie wants to go on a ride. We're gonna take the GTR and go grab some lunch, but this is Manny's neighbor. And he's actually watches the channel, which is pretty crazy. You want merch? Yeah. That's tight, bro. I appreciate that. It's so crazy, bro. It literally blows my mind every time I see somebody that cops some merch. It's so sick. A nice little tunnel. Sounds crazy, huh? Isn't there a police station right here? I think there is, huh? Yeah. Oops. It's crazy, huh? Bro, it's fast. Damn, look at that. No way, we just ran into another GTR. What's up, fool? We're back. He peed his pants. No, just kidding. The car practically looks done, bro. We did the whole side and the hood. Can't wait to see it in the sun, dude. I know the details. Look at this. Tell me it doesn't look like paint. It looks so freaking good, dude. Everything is perfect. I don't know how the heck you did this so perfect. I don't know how Manny does it, bro. But it's literally insane. And we got a little piece of the trunk, too. What do we do this color on the GTR?
What do we do this color on my car? And we'll just twin.
And the GTR. No. All the cars.
Toxic? It's toxic as fuck. Hey, don't give me no camera.
Okay guys, day 3 of the wrap. Only 3 days and look how much freaking progress he's been making. We're almost done, yeah.
This should be the last day though, Loki.
The trunk is done. He just finished it up. Again, the corners are perfect. Everything's looking literally perfect, bro. Sorry the vlogs have kind of been like, I haven't been talking much, but it's really hard to film a car wrap. Just a lot of time lapses and stuff, but hopefully it's cool. I filmed a lot of slow-mos. How it's gonna look. Damn.
Yeah, it's already been like that.
That shit looks hard, bro. Dude, it's gonna look so sick when it's all put together.
Here's one thing I want to show everybody.
What?
This is how you know, like, if your wrap shop does not wrap under your freaking, like, gas cap right here area, like, they're being super lazy.
This wrap literally looks like a full paint job, dude. Manny's literally killing it, bro. Manny, of course, is a perfectionist. Look what he did. He took off the wrap. I don't even know what he didn't like, honestly. He saw an imperfection and he wanted to change it all. So he's gonna redo the whole entire fender until it's perfect. I don't understand why. So now we're unwrapping the car again. Oh my god, dude. This shit needs a detail. Look at this. When it's done, I'm gonna get it all detailed. Inside, out, engine bay, like everything is gonna be mint, bro. I'm gonna make this car perfect.
It's gonna be literally mint. Oh,
man, literally mint. Oh, his neighbors probably hate us. Bro, I can't hear you, bro. Guys, day 4. We dropped the headlights off yesterday. I didn't vlog it or anything, but some homie is gonna do the headlights. He's gonna put new lenses on it. I know.
Like natural light,
First time in the light, bro. I love how this color looks with the white cage. Also, the homie Bulletproof sent me this. Well, he posted this. My wheels are done being powder coated, and it looks sick. Look at Kevin. What are you doing, Kevin? Yeah, the new wheels. Well, not new wheels, but new color wheels. Gonna put the new headlights on. A new front lip. This car's gonna look perfect. Oh my god, look at it in the sun, dude. That shit is bright. Sounds supercharged. All right, guys. Now it is day. I'm trying to keep track of the days. What day is it? It's like the last day. I think it's day 5. The car is almost done. But look at this. We got new paint, powder coat for the new wheels. I mean, for my old wheels. But they're like new wheels now. As you guys can see, they don't look too different, honestly. But I went with more of like a glossy black finish. And then they also have like a little bit of a metallic in it. It looks exactly like my GTR paint. It has like a little bit of a flake in there. It's like in the sun, it's actually kind of like a little bit more charcoal gray. And before, if you guys remember, they were just like matte black. So it's a big difference. They look a lot more shiny now since they're glossy. And I think they're gonna look clean. I mean, look at this. We just put 2 of them on and it looks crazy, dude. So look how clean these look. They look so much better glossy. I like them so much better, bro. I've always wanted to do that. But finally, we found the time to take them off since my car has been down for a week and just get them powder coated. So like always, shout out to Bulletproof for the new powder coat. And check this out. We got a new front lip. Finally, this is like probably my, honestly, I might have to say it's my like 7th lip probably. So yeah, we got a new GT4 lip, all carbon fiber. Hopefully this one lasts longer than my last ones, but we'll see. I'll try to take care of it. I haven't driven a low car in a while actually, because the GTR is pretty lifted. I've been driving this car without a lip for like a few months, so I'm not used to it. So we're gonna have to get used to riding with the big old front lip again. We also got new headlight lenses. So these headlights look brand new. Look how shiny they are and clear. No rock chips, no fading. No like yellowing, nothing. Like they're literally brand new. It's gonna look insane, dude. I cannot wait till this car's done. Look at the car in the sunlight. It's so bright. Oh my god, dude. Bro, literally when you air out the car, it just makes it 1,000 times better.
So good.
Holy shit, looks like the front is done too.
I don't like bags, but dude, this shit.
The wheels look so good, glossy. We're gonna throw the headlights on, see how they look, see if they work. Imagine they don't even work. Alright guys, we're out. We finally got the E92 out. It's not 100% done. There's still a bunch of little things, like I said. We still need to put the diffuser on. We need to put the side skirts on. All like carbon fiber pieces. So the carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber side skirts, and then the carbon fiber lip. But other than that, the wrap looks freaking perfect, bro. Like it's literally perfect. The lighting, you guys see how the metallic looks, like the pearl. Manny legit killed it. He killed it, bro. Me and Manny got some things going on behind the scenes that we'll be announcing soon, but for right now, everyone go give Manny some love. Go give Sick Wraps some love. Manny literally is the best guy that wraps cars that I know. I'm not even kidding. I'm not saying that because he did my car. Like he legit is a perfectionist, and I would want a perfectionist to wrap my car, you know? Oh my god, dude. That wrap is sick, bro. That color, dude, it looks good. I'm so glad we did everything. We did the new headlights, the new wheels, everything. It looks so crazy. I knew I was gonna fall in love with the car again. I knew it, bro. Guys, when we're at the gas station right now, I didn't vlog it, but somebody pulled up. Literally what you just said, bro. He literally said, I'm scared to go to the gas station. Someone's gonna notice it.
I told him, I was like, bro, leave and go straight home. Go straight home, like literally, just go straight home.
The time I'm filming this, I'm not revealing it yet. Like I'm probably gonna reveal it like a week later, but.
So you guys already know what color it is right now.
Yeah, but at this time, that guy doesn't know. Like, I wasn't supposed to show it to anybody. Hopefully he doesn't leak it. He took a picture of it, so. It's funny how the car got noticed, like, that quick. Literally 5 minutes, bro. We took it out to the street. I guess he saw us parked there and he was like, bro, there's no way that's Nick. Like, he said he recognized the car and he's like, there's no way that he wrapped it that color again. And, yep, I did it again.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in